So hi, I'm Filippos. I'm a pharmacist from Greece and a proud alumnus of the Global Business School for Health from the MBA Health at UCL. Actually, I grew up within healthcare in our family pharmacy in Greece. I started with my parents since I was a child. So I developed a great passion for healthcare. I was surrounded from patients, doctors, other pharmacists, etc. And for this reason, I decided to pursue my degree in pharmacy, and then I went back to my family business. You know, it's amazing to see how science can change people's life, and to see the impact of your doing business in a local community. However, I think that what inspired me to do this MBA is my desire to make a greater impact, not just in a local community, but on a more global framework. And to do so, I wanted to develop the understanding, the skills of how business works in a global framework. And this is why I chose the MBA Health at UCL. UCL is a well-known institution, it's a top institution regarding life sciences research. It's a global institution in London, in the second biggest economic center in the world. Well, I think that it's a combination of two factors: my personal development alongside with my professional development. The MBA is not just an education that develops your business skills. It's actually a trajectory, as you said. It's a learning journey that helps you to get to know yourself better, to understand your potential, and to develop skills that makes you see the world around you in a different way. Of course, business in all this is in the core of what you're doing, and whatever you develop within the MBA is because you want to bring a change in business. So I think that developing these skills, both from a personal perspective and a professional perspective, have definitely changed Filippos as a person and as a professional. You can see after this MBA, actually, you can recognize the complexities that previously probably you had in your head as more simple, rather than how they are in the reality. And this really helps in problem solving, how you can approach problems, how you can approach challenges, and how you can optimize actually what you do in order to provide real value back to patients, back to professionals, healthcare professionals, and to the community as a whole. They make you stand out not just as a business leader, but a proper change maker that makes a real impact while improving business processes. So first of all, talking about global health challenges, I think that the most important element during the MBA is the awareness that I developed for certain global health challenges. When you live your real life and you work within healthcare, actually you see challenges and you really focus on them, thinking that they are the biggest that someone can face. But in this MBA, because of the global character of this program, actually you realize that there are so many different challenges around the world. For me, the most important thing regarding the global health challenges is the awareness that you develop, the way you look at the challenges, and you try to approach them from many different perspectives and from the perspectives of different stakeholders, so you can go back to the challenge and solve it in a way that you deliver value and you really resolve the problems of these stakeholders. I love people. I have a big passion for people. I'm curious to see people, to work with people, to observe people, etc. And my driver is if what I do in my life in general, so even in my work life, actually matters. So the impact I make. I think in the era that we live now, there is a lot of innovation going on in universities, in institutions, in research centers, in startups, etc. So to scale this innovation and go back to people, commercialize this innovation and deliver and communicate the value actually of this innovation to who needs it is the most important thing and a great way actually to make impact.